So today we are going to start Sukshma Vyayama and some asanas in chair. So let's begin our session with Om chanting and prayer. Keep your palms in Namaskar. Keep your spine straight. Just close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. Now inhale and chant Om along with me. Om. यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमेव बन्धनं मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात्. Now rub your palms and keep it on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes by looking into your palms. Just relax. Now we are going to start with simple neck exercises. So for this, with inhalation, raise your head up, stretch your muscles in the neck, and exhale. Try to touch your chin to your neck. So inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up and exhale down. One more time, inhale up and exhale down. Just relax. Now we are going to do side bending. So catch your head and press your neck to sideways. Exhale. Inhale center and opposite side. Exhale. Inhale center, exhale. Inhale center, exhale. Inhale center, exhale. Inhale center and exhale to left. Two more times. So to right side, then to left. Just relax. Okay, now we are going to do turning the head to right side and left side. So center, inhale, exhale to right side, inhale center, exhale to left, inhale center, exhale to right, inhale center, exhale to left, inhale center, exhale to right, inhale center, exhale to left. Last round, inhale center, exhale to right, inhale center, exhale to left. Just relax. Now we are going to do rotation. So clockwise, inhale up and exhale down. Try to observe the stretch in all directions. So 3, inhale up and exhale down. 4, inhale up and exhale down. Last one, 5, inhale up and exhale down. We are going to do reverse. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. 3, 4, and last one, 5. Just relax. Just inhale and exhale. Okay. Just relax your body. We are going to do shoulder movement now. Just stretch your hands, palms facing up. Join your fingers. Keep it on your shoulder. So bring your shoulders like this. Inhale up, exhale down like this. Try to extend. Observe the pressure on your shoulder. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one, 5. Just relax. Now we are going to do shoulder rotation. So stretch your hands, keep it on your shoulder, rotate clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one, 5. Now we are going to do reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one, 5. Just relax. Okay. Now we are going to do stretching for your hand. So catch your wrist like this. Stretch your hands first up. Catch your wrist. Try to pull your hand down. And again center. And like this to side. Okay. We are going to do now with inhalation. Inhale. Raise your hands up. Exhale. Bend. Stretch maximum. Inhale straight. Exhale bend. 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 Just relax. Relax your shoulders and relax your hands. Now we are going to do Tadasana in sitting in chair. So just join your feet like this. Stretch your hands. Inhale, raise your hands, raise your upper body. Don't touch your back to your chair. Spine straight. Just interlock, turn your palms. Observe the stretch from your lower back to your fingertips. Just hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Exhale, relax. We are going to do one more time. So inhale, raise your hands up, stretch your upper body. Observe the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Exhale, relax. Okay, now we are going to do variation in Tadasana. So sit like this, keep somewhat gap between your legs. So stretch your hands with inhalation, raise your hands up. So with exhalation, turn to right side. Again inhale, center, exhale, turn to left. Inhale, center, relax your hands. We are going to do one more time. Okay, now raise your hands up. Stretch, exhale, turn to right side. Inhale, center, exhale, turn to left. Inhale, center, just relax. Yes. Now we are going to do side stretching. So for this, you can catch your chair like this, or you can go back. So bend to side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, center, exhale to opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. We are going to do one more time. Inhale, center, exhale, bend. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, center, exhale to opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Now we are going to do wrist rotation. So sit nicely. Now stretch your hands, make a fist, rotate. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. So like this, try to do for 3 rounds. 4 and last one 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Just relax. Now we are going to do finger clenching. So open your fingers widely. Inhale and exhale, make a fist. 1, 2, 3, 4 and last one 5. Just relax. We are going to do palm stretching. So for this, stretch your palm like this. Catch your fingers and pull back side. Feel the stretch all the way in the hand. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Opposite side, opposite hand. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Now we are going to do same like this. Downwards. Stretch your palm like this, fingers facing down. Stretch like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Change your hand. Stretch your palm like this, facing downwards. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Okay. Now we are going to do toe bending. So sit nicely. So just keep your heels like this. Heel, take support of the heel. Feet should be up. Now press your toes inside and out. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and last one 5. We are going to do now feet. So we are going to do now feet bending. So try to stretch your leg like this and bend your feet front and back. Catch your base of the chair. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Just relax, feel the stretch. Okay. Now we are going to do with opposite leg. Stretch your leg as much as you can. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Just relax. Now we are going to do rotation. So stretch your leg like this. So try to rotate, point your toes out and rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Just relax. Now with opposite leg, stretch your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Just relax. Now we are going to do toes lift. So try to lift on your toes up and down like this. 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, and last one 5, down. Now we are going to do a holding for knee bending. So keep your spine straight, catch your base of the chair. So try to lift your leg up. 1, down, inhale up, exhale down. 2, 3. Okay, if anyone can't lift like this without this, with support of this also, if you can't lift, then you can use a towel or a rope and pull your leg like this, and you can hold with your hands. Okay, so who can't do, they can do like that. Okay, inhale straight, exhale down, inhale straight, exhale down. We are going to do with the opposite leg. Inhale straight, exhale down, inhale straight, exhale down, inhale straight and exhale down. Relax. Now we are going to hold in this position for one time. Inhale straight, toes pointing inside, spine straight. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Opposite leg. Inhale straight, toes pointing inside. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. We are going to do with both legs. Okay, catch the base of the chair, try to raise as much as you can, point your toes out and again straight. 1, 2, 3, 4 and last one 5. Relax. Okay, now we are going to hold in this position for one time. Raise your legs up, spine straight. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. If you can't do with the support of the chair, you can use a rope and you can do with both legs also. We are going to do one time hold again. Inhale, raise your legs up, point your toes out. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Exhale down. Now we are going to do bending of knee. So try to observe me. So spine straight, try to bend your knee and keep it on your base of the chair. So pull like this, or you can keep, if you can hold like this, you can hold like this. Okay, now again relax. We are going to do with this leg for 5 times. Exhale, bend. Exhale చేస్తూ bend చేయాలి. Inhale చేస్తూ down. Okay, so exhale, bend. Inhale, down. Exhale, bend. Inhale, down. We are going to hold one time. Bend your leg, try to hold, feel the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Opposite leg for 3 times. Inhale straight and bend. Exhale, bend. Now down. Inhale, down. Exhale, bend. Inhale, down. We are going to hold for one time. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Now we are going to do Mandukasana. So for this, keep your palms like this. This is Adi Mudra. So we are going to join our knuckles of your palms. So keep it in the navel, below the navel. So keep your spine straight with the same stretch. Bend forward. Don't arch your back. Bend forward. So your stomach should be in line. Spine should be in line. Okay, like this. Feel the pressure in the stomach with your fist. Okay. So hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. We are going to do one more time. So keep your palms like this. Stretch your back with the same stretch. Bend forward. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Just relax. Inhale and exhale. Relax your palms. Now we are going to do leg movements. So for this, please stand up. So now we are going to do leg movement. So for this, catch the chair. Keep your spine straight. Now try to bend your leg like this and down. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Just relax. We are going to do with opposite leg also. Same. Okay. For this, okay, catch like this and you can continue. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we are going to do side movement. So keep legs 1 feet gap and we are going to start 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we are going to do with opposite side. So change your leg chair position. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Just relax. We are going to do leg movement back side and front. Okay. So like this. So try to continue. 1. Just adjust the position. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Now we are at the opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Now we are going to do circles with your knee bent. So adjust the chair. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now reverse. We are going to do same in the reverse direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We are going to change our leg. So start. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now we are going to do in reverse direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Just relax. Relax your legs and relax your body. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now we are going to do balancing pose, that is Vrikshasana. Take support of the chair. Keep your one hand like this by bending like this. Catch at your ankle and keep here. If you can't do, you can keep your leg like this here. You can't bring here. Okay, then keep your namaskar like this. If you're falling down, try to catch the base of the chair and do like this. If you're comfortable here, try to raise your hand. Okay, we are going to do now. Who are comfortable, they can bring the feet onto the thigh. Okay, so be stable, don't move. Just relax. We are going to do with opposite leg. Catch the base of the chair, up, chair, and lift your leg up. So try to balance. Just relax. Now we are going to do one asana with the chair. So keep the chair like this. Catch the hand up position. So walk up, so at the shoulder, at the length of the shoulder. Okay. Now this is called Samakonasana. Try to stretch your upper body. Don't bend your legs. Your legs should be 1 feet gap like this. Okay. Stretch your upper body completely. Stretch your hands. Hold here. 1, 2, 3. Feel the stretch in your legs and back of your spine and shoulders. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Just relax. We are going to do again one more time. So start. Inhale. Stretch your hands front. Exhale. Stretch your upper body. Feel the stretch all the way from your legs to up. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Just relax. Now we are going to do Marjalasana stretch. So for cat and cow stretch. So for this, catch your hand like this. So inhale, try to bring your chest, head up, push your lower back down. Feel the stretch all the way in the lower back. And exhale. Pull your shoulder up, okay? With inhalation. Raise your head up. Feel the stretch. Exhalation. Down. Inhalation up. Exhalation. Down. Inhalation up. Exhalation. Down. Inhalation up. Exhalation. Down. Last round. Inhale up. Exhale. Down. relax, inhale and exhale. Now we are going to do pranayama. So for this, who can sit on the chair, can't sit down, they can sit in the chair, and who can't sit, they can sit down. Okay. Today we are going to do 3-part breathing continuation. So with hand mudras. So please observe me. Yesterday we had done with each mudra for lower part, middle part and upper part. So we are going to do with those 3 mudras, and along with that we are going to do one mudra that is helpful for activating all the 3 loops of the lungs. That is called Brahma Mudra. For this you should keep your hand like this. Your knuckles should be touching each other, and you should keep this in the below the navel position like this. So we are going to do all the 3, then we are going to do this one. So let's begin. So first relax your body, inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. Let's begin. Keep your palms in chin mudra, like index finger and thumb finger should be touching each other, remaining fingers open, facing up. Fingers should not be facing down like this, Spine straight. Just inhale and exhale. Slowly bring the awareness to the lowest loop of the lung. Try to feel the expansion. While you're inhaling, your stomach is expanding, and while you're exhaling, your stomach is going back all the way to the spine. So inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Okay, we are going to do this naturally and smoothly. Don't force the breath, don't be aggressive. Okay, let's start. Inhale and exhale. Feel the expansion in the lowest loop of the lung all the way in the front, sides and back. We are going to do for 2 more times. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, feel the expansion in the lowest part and exhale. Last time, inhale and exhale. Okay, now we are going to Chinmaya Mudra. So curl your remaining fingers. Okay, keep your index finger and thumb finger like this. Keep your spine straight. Now bring your awareness to the middle loop of the lung. Feel the expansion in the chest area. And exhale, relax. Do smoothly, don't force. Do at your own pace. Start. Inhale and exhale. Try to do for 3 more times. Inhale and exhale. Feel the expansion all the way in the middle part of the lung, front, back and sides. Start. Inhale and exhale. Last 2. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Last time. Inhale and exhale. Now we are going to do upper part of the loop. So for this, keep the hand in Adi Mudra. Curl your index thumb finger first and curl your remaining fingers on the thumb finger. So keep like this. This is Adi Mudra. So try to activate the upper part of the lungs. So upper loop. So clavicular breathing. So inhale, try to activate the clavicular breath. Inhale and exhale. Don't do intentionally, it should be done smoothly with awareness. So inhale and exhale. Last 4 times. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Relax your body. Again, last time. Inhale and exhale. Now we are going to do Brahma Mudra. For this, keep your palms like this. Join your knuckles. Keep in the navel position like this, below of navel. So spine straight. So this is a complete yogic breathing. So in this position, we are going to combine all the 3 upper, middle, upper and lower part of the loops. So we are going to do combination of these 3. So try to bring your awareness to the breath. Inhale Try to activate lower part, middle part and upper part of the lungs all the way. So inhale and exhale. While you're inhaling, feel the expansion in the stomach, sides and back, and in the chest and in the upper part of the loop, that is clavicular breath, near your collarbone. Start. So we are going to do for 3 times. Inhale and exhale. Do slowly, don't do intentionally, don't stress, don't apply the force. It should be done naturally. Bring your awareness. By doing this, you can increase the lung capacity. So feel that while you're doing. So inhale and exhale. So now try to assume the fresh air going inside and exhale. Now again inhale and exhale. Last 2. Inhale and exhale. Last time. Okay. And do at your own pace with your awareness. Don't force and don't be aggressive. So start again. Inhale and exhale. Now bring your normal breathing. Calm your breath. So keep your palms in Shunya Mudra, facing up. Calm your breath. Bring it to normal position. Calm your body. Relax your body and mind. Feel the oxygen is going to each part of the body. If you're feeling any pain in particular part, so with the oxygen, feel that it's relieving. Okay, relax your body and now slowly join your palms. We are going to end this session with Om chanting and prayer. Keep your palms in Namaskar. Keep your spine straight. Just inhale and exhale. Now inhale and chant Om along with me. Om. Rub your palms and keep it on your eyes. Slowly observe the heat going into the eyes. Now slowly open your eyes and looking into your palms. So we'll meet in next session. Practice these. Hope you enjoyed the section. Thank you.